Evening, fams. How's everybody doing on this Sunday? Hopefully, everybody's doing wonderfully blessed. Had a great day chilling with your loved ones. Most importantly, hopefully, you guys had a safe day. This is your boy, Jaime G. You guys should already know I'm about to dive into some Doge and some overall crypto market news. Now, if you're new to my channel, maybe you can help me out by hitting the likes, maybe the dislike. Hit that notification bell, turn it on to all so you can be notified when I come through with developing and breaking news. None of this is ever financial advice, guys. It's just me sharing my thoughts and opinions, nothing more, nothing less. Please never take it as financial advice. If you do, well, I don't know what to tell you. All right, guys, you guys ready to find out what's going on in the Wild Wild West of crypto line? Well, let's get it, baby. All right, guys, Bitcoin is sitting at 57,735 with 96 cents. It is down 2.44% for the day. The overall markets are in the red. Granted, we do have some altcoins making some new all-time highs. We have crypto.com, Avalanche making new all-time highs, right? So, on the top 100, more red than green, guys. Granted, there is some red or some green here and there, right? You got Zec, Stacks, Cosmos, CeeLo, Dash, IOTEX, Curved Out, right? So you do got some coins doing okay. Theta right? Who buy, right? So there is some green going on, right, guys? But we have a lot of consolidating going on and some pullback, which is always healthy for the markets. You know what I'm saying? So, all right, guys, we'll dive into some more Bitcoin news here in a minute. Let's dive into Dogecoin. We are number 11, guys. Um, Avalanche has just passed us, right? We are sitting at 22 cents, guys. We have lost our spot. Not looking good, right now as far as that goes. And on the charts, right? We'll talk about that in here in a second. We are at 22 cents for the day. We are down 2.98% for the day. 24-hour low is 22 cents, where we're sitting at now. And our 24-hour high was at 23 cents. Our market cap is sitting at 29.44 billion, right? And our volume is stupidly low, guys. I can't even remember when's the last time it was this low. We are sitting at 786.32 million, not billion, million. Right, guys? We need the bulls, man, to step in. We need people to create buying pressure. We need volume. We need a lot of things to happen for Doge right now, guys. You know what I'm saying? I'm part of the Doge army. I'm still bullish, but things are temporarily looking bearish, right? So let's dive into the charts, all right, and show you guys what I'm talking about. All right, so first things first, we're going to talk about this ascending trend line, which is this pink line that we see here, right, guys? Now, let me shrink it up just a tad bit. Now, this has been holding us since over here. Okay, so this has been holding. So you see the green FX on my chart. It's been holding us since then, right? We started back then, right? And that's been holding us for some weeks upon weeks, except as you can see right here, we have dipped below the past 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the past 6 days, guys. We have dipped below this ascending trend line, right? So that is bearish. Okay, now what is the next bearish thing we got going on? So now we have been creating higher highs, higher lows, right? So, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, right? Then we created a higher low, and then we created a lower low, guys, which is bearish, okay? We created a lower low, as you can see again right here, right? We went low, then we went lower again, right? And we have not been able to break out of it right here, right? So we have created a lower low, and we have dipped below the ascending trend line. Okay, so those are two extremely bearish things that we got going right now for us temporarily on this daily chart. Okay, this is the daily chart on what we're looking at. Okay, that's what I like to look at. Now, support is still coming in at 22 cents, which is this yellow line here, guys. It's been holding us for about the past, well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, about the past 6 days, 6 to 7, so past week, guys. 22 cents has been doing its job and holding us up. Now, if we were to dip below, I think we can drop to about 19 cents, right? But I don't think that's going to happen. I think 22, there's enough pressure here at 20, there's enough support rather at the 22 cents, and that's why it's been holding us for these past week. So 22 cents is level of support. resistance is still at that 50-day moving average, coming in at 25 cents, right? We need to reclaim that 50-day moving average, and we need to get back above this ascending trend line, right? If we want to continue to push up. Now, that's not to say, right, that we can't get no buying pressure, right, and get some bullish volume going and shoot up, right? But you know what I mean? For now, guys, things are looking bearish on the charts. I will keep it real on this channel, right? And I am a Dogecoin bull. But it is what it is, guys. You know what I mean? So, all right, guys. Now let's dive into some overall crypto market Dogecoin news first, and then we'll get into some crypto news. Now, that's what I had for you as far as the charts go, guys. You know what I mean? Hopefully, it wasn't too. I like to keep it beginner friendly. You know what I mean? And hopefully, it wasn't too confusing for you. All right, guys. Let's see what we got going on here. Where is it? Okay, so. Where's it at? Because it got. Okay, here we go. You know, this is some positive news, right? Nonetheless. Now, this is coming out of Benzega. It says Dogecoin is the most Googled crypto in the United States, right? But this still isn't enough, guys, to push us back. You know, we lost our spot from top 10, and things are looking bearish on the technical side of things, right? So, that says Dogecoin, the original and still leading meme coin, is apparently the most Googled cryptocurrency in the United States, beating even the world's first crypto Bitcoin and leading altcoin Ethereum. This is research conducted by financial advisor. The advisor coach revealed that Dogecoin is the most Googled crypto in 23 U.S. states, including Florida, Illinois, and Michigan. Doge proportionately dominated the searches in more than the United States than Bitcoin and Ether combined. Did you hear that, guys? Now, Bitcoin and Ether combined still did not beat Doge as far as, Google trend. That is pretty good. That's huge, guys. But like I said, that's not helping us when it comes to price action. You know what I mean? So, meanwhile, Bitcoin was the most searched for in just 10 U.S. states, including Connecticut, Alaska, and Mississippi, which made it the second most searched crypto in the United States. Ether came in third, and the most searched cryptocurrency in a state was Shiba Inu, ended in fourth place, and was most searched in New York. The report follows a recent announcement by a cryptocurrency payment Bitfirm that is now possible to spend Dogecoin on Amazon's massive marketplace. Right? So, you know what I mean? I mean, that's that's positive. You know what I mean? That's positive news, right, guys? But like I said, nonetheless, that is not helping us with the price, right? And bottom line, that's what we want to see as Dogecoin holders, right? Hodlers. We want to see the price of Dogecoin up. All right, guys. Now, that's pretty much all I had for as far as Dogecoins. I didn't have a whole lot of news, right? Or any positive catalyst. I mean, that was a positive catalyst, you know what I mean? But, all right, guys. Now, let's dive into what we got going on here, all right? Now, first things first here. Getting some crypto news. Now it says Shark Tank Kevin O'Leary dramatically increases exposure to crypto markets. Here's why. Now why is this even important, right? And why am I talking about this and sharing this? Because Kevin O'Leary is a billionaire. He's somebody of major influence in the markets, guys. So if you have somebody such as Kevin O'Leary continuously adding to his increasings in crypto and putting it out there for the world to know, that's a positive catalyst for the overall crypto markets, especially the cryptos that he's holding. All right, now it says, I'm just going to read a little bit. It says, this is him saying, many people don't yet know how to get exposure to the crypto markets. I know there's a lot of excitement out there, but much of what is going on in crypto is happening at the individual level, or at the hedge fund level, or the high net worth level, or the family office level. It is not happening yet at the institutional or pension or sovereign fund level. Those customers that I know through my work in indexing have told me there's a great interest in allocating the crypto, but no compliance infrastructure that allows them to do it. Right, guys? So they have compliance committees, they have compliance departments, they have regulators that oversee them. Right? So, guys, in other words, once crypto becomes, regulated, right, by the regulatory system, right, and that's going to open the doors. I know we don't want to see that, but it's going to help crypto to go mainstream, guys, and that's what we want, right? That's where billions and billions of dollars are going to pour into the crypto markets, right? And then that we can become those crypto millionaires that we dream and aspire to be. right? Then it goes on to say the celebrity investor says many aspects indicate that crypto markets still have more room for growth and that he's trying to get in early while the regulatory infrastructure is still being built. Right, he's early to the party, guys. Like I continue to tell you guys, man, we are early, right? That's why it's good to get your feet in now in the crypto. Why it's still early, guys? It's not too late, even though Bitcoin, yes, is at 57,000, Ethereum at 4,100. So what, guys? You can still get in. It is still early, man. I'm telling you guys. All right. Now he says, I'm not telling people what to do, but I see no reason in my own personal position not to get some exposure while the grinds through the global compliance regulatory in every geography. I think, and over time, because of the really persuasive argument of reducing fees, transparency, and speed of transactions and just payment systems in the global currency markets, there's so much potential. I am a believer, and I see no reason not to participate. All right, guys, see, this dude is telling you guys straight up, man, that it's early, there's money to be made, but he's saying without saying it, guys. You know what I mean? Like, come on, man. You know what I mean? You guys, for those of you that are hesitant in getting in, none of this financial advice, guys, but man, now's the time, man. Even Kevin O'Leary is saying it. All right, guys. Now we have Australia. It says crypto FOMO. Australia's largest bank sees bigger risk in not participating in crypto. Why? Because, guys, obviously these banks are seeing over the time, right, that man, they better get with the program or they're gonna get left behind. If you don't catch that train, see ya. A rato gato, which means later gator. You know what I mean? You're gonna get left behind, guys. You know what I mean? Now, says the CEO of Commonwealth Bank of Australia, the country's largest bank, sees big risks not in participating in cryptocurrency. We see risks in participating, but we see bigger risks in not participating, he explained. Right, guys? So, and this is the biggest bank in the whole country of Australia, right, guys? This is huge. You know what I mean? This is huge. Now, I'm going to close out with this article here. Right? This is very good, guys. Now it says Bitcoin bulls in City Hall meet America's crypto mayors. It says a wave of political goodwill and support for Bitcoin is building up. Is it just hype or will there be long-lasting support for crypto? Then it gives a long list, right, guys? It says we have the New York City mayor, right, Eric Adams. Then we have Miami mayor Francis Suarez. Cool Valley, Missouri mayor Jason Stewart. It says Jackson, Tennessee Mayor Scott Conger. Tampa, Florida Mayor Jane Castor. Right? Growing bullish sentiment. It says apart from American mayors embracing Bitcoin and blockchain technology, other leaders around the nation and across the globe are starting to realize the benefits of Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. For instance, U.S. Representative Tom Emmer and Darren Soto sent a letter to the Securities and Exchange Commission in a call for the approval of a Bitcoin ETF in the U.S., something that many onlookers believe could set up a bullish trend for Bitcoin and legitimizing cryptocurrencies. Now it goes on to say even traditional financial institutions that were bearish on Bitcoin are starting to admit that cryptocurrencies and blockchain technologies are primed to bring revolutionary change to the financial industry. The chief operating officer of Bank of America, for instance, recently claimed that blockchain and cryptocurrencies could improve the operations of banks. Guys, like I keep telling you guys, man, I keep pounding the table, trying to keep pounding through your head, guys. We are early. We can become crypto millionaires in 5 to 10 years if you just start now investing what you can. $10, $5, $100, whatever you can, guys. You know what I mean? So none of this is ever financial advice. It's just me sharing my thoughts and opinions and my love and passion to hopefully help you guys, right, guys? I was raised poor, guys. I didn't have shit growing up. I am trying to give my kids different. I am trying to show them different by investing in crypto and in the stock market as well, guys. You know what I mean? But all right, guys, this is what I had for you on this Sunday evening. Hopefully it was very useful and insightful. For what, please consider to like and subscribe. Help your boy out. Stay safe, stay blessed. Until tomorrow, Jaime G is out. Peace.